Day 100. I'm joking. I don't know what day it is. I think it's Friday. We cook today Romanian recipe. They call it 𝐟𝐨𝐵𝐾. Here they are. And I need to wait till it's done.
We go bowling today. No one is working today. Gone.
So you heard the boss. We go to play a bowling. So I keep you update with our program. Every day my friend loses his glasses, not sunglasses. I don't know where they are. Where? You know where you're...
What do you do?
Ah, it's up there. Hello. Hello. Come here. You go to the bowling. So, my friend never find his glasses. It's a problem. Every day it's a problem, this. Can I go with you in time you check for your glasses?
Yeah, you can, but I don't know
Okay.
where they are.
Okay.
I'm again in the wrong direction.
I'm with you. He's here.
There's no way.
Where do you leave your sunglasses every day? Not sunglasses, the glasses, sorry.
No. Go away. Just go away.
No, for real, you don't know where is the sunglasses? The glasses.
No, I don't know. I have to keep you in the ring.
So, I don't stop the camera till you don't find your glasses.
I don't know where they are, man. I really don't know where they are.
It's so simple.
How can
Oh.
it's simple?
No?
No.
Can you watch our selfie camera?
He's happy I can't find my glasses.
For real?
Yeah, I can.
Look again on the camera.
Oh, you fucking
We play some bowling because we are professionals. So, and we are here. I wish you good luck. Wish me good luck. Say something.
I want to make a strike to show everyone who is the boss. I'm not the boss. We are all equal.
Yeah, another day, another game, another day, another video, another day, another food. You should try the 𝐟𝐵𝐾. We arrived at home, but the 𝐟𝐵𝐾 are extraordinary tasty and delicious, and just watch them. Go on Lost Food to see them, and if you like our videos, go and press the like button and share button and be with us, because we'll make crazy things. we are at the beginning of a beautiful friendship.
We're back home. We have to heat the house, so we ignite the fire, and after we have a nice wine and maybe watch a series or something. Yeah, we don't have here, but we'll have to buy some games like Monopoly, maybe cards. We'll see. See you next time. See you tomorrow.